So this Mark III Supra seat is on permanent auto recline, so we're going to fix it. So to get your seat to this point, you would normally, you got to pull off your handle for your, what is that, recline? So your recline handle pulls straight off, nothing holds it on. Your lever for your seat control just pulls straight off. This guy here actually has a retainer clip on it that you use a door handle removal tool on. I didn't know that, so I broke mine, so I'll have to fix this one. But these just use the horseshoe clips that come on and off with a window crank tool from the old 70s cars. Then you have a screw here, and a screw here. Take those out. You get that guy off. You have access to all this mess. Now, like I said, our seat is in permanent recline. When you lean back on it, it reclines. It doesn't care whether you want it in someplace else or not. But what happened is, when you look at this seat, you can actually see the seat back is pitched forward on the left side of the seat. And there's two bolts on a bracket, and one of those bolts came out. So we're going to peel this side of the seat apart. We're going to see if we can put a bolt back in. And if we can, great. We just fixed our seat, saved us a bunch of money. So I got some hog rings, I got a cut. Where did I put my side cuts at? And the air compressor kicks on. Right on cue. Hey, the bolt's still in there. Look at that. So that guy came out. That's all that's wrong with this seat. Let's fix it. You can see this guy. Sorry, that guy's supposed to line up with that. So this is not going to be easy. I'm going to take this guy loose, rotate him back. What are these? 12s? Now remember, these things are under really high spring tension. So be careful. Oh. Never mind, they're not under spring tension. I might have to run a thread chaser through there, but we'll see. Nice. Hey, look at that. I have a recline now. Fixed it. So one screw is really short. The really short screw came out of the pivot. The other two screws are the same length. Hey, now I got it in the hole. And don't get all gorilla tight on these. They don't have to be super tight. Just take them in until they stop. That guy snaps on. This guy slides on. I think it'll be good. That guy will snap on. Put 3 hog rings back in and we'll be good to go. Little metal clippies go on to these guys right here. Snap. And then a shoulder bolt goes in the back to hold the back on. Again, you don't have to tighten these way too tight. If you tighten them too tight, they won't tighten up because you strip them out. Just till they're snug. Now it's time to test drive the seat. Oh. Fixed the seat. How much money did I just save? That's awesome. Everything works, it's square. The recline works. Really recline. Sometimes when stuff's broke, it's just a nut or a bolt. This time it was a bolt. One bolt. And it was still in there. Worked out great. How tall is Jeremy?
He's an ogre. 6'3" probably?
Man's huge.
He's a big dude.
Yes, but we have a seat that works now.
Yes.
Got the access, engages, it doesn't fall back. All right. Seat repair 101. Take it apart and put the bolts back in it. It beats buying new seats. Let's get this thing running. So there you have my little bit on seat repair, at least on this Toyota Supra. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave a comment, or get to work on the project in your garage. You know you have one out there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.